And I always remember he saw us back out of the car, and chatted, and he said, "Have a think about it," because it's near. It was nearer my home then as well, Stockport. And I thought, yeah, I could see more of mum and dad, more of the family. They could see more of the grandson and things. And I'd sort of really made up my mind anyways. But he's come out into the car. He's walked us out. Got into my car, and he's talking through the window. And I kid you not, the biggest dollop of bird shit hits him on the head. And honestly, you couldn't make it up. And it's gone splat. And I always remember Gail, my wife, Gail, my wife sat next to me and said, Jesus, you've got a sign for him now.